Welcome to your channel, Persevering Finances. This is your friend, Antonio Ramirez. Today we're setting sail on a financial journey, one that ventures into the realm of long-term savings. What does it mean to save long-term, and why is it so crucial? Well, imagine having a financial safety net, a cushion that lets you live life stable and secure. It's a topic not everyone embraces, but the rewards, they're worth it. So, are you ready to dive into the world of long-term savings? Then, stay tuned. So what are long-term savings exactly? Let's delve into this. Long-term savings, as the name suggests, is all about stashing away funds for future financial goals. These goals could range from buying your dream house, securing funds for your child's education, to ensuring a comfortable retirement. It's not just about putting money away and forgetting about it. It's a strategic and disciplined approach to managing your finances in a way that sets you up for future success. Now let's break this down a bit more. Imagine your income as a pie. Each slice represents a different aspect of your finances: bills, groceries, entertainment, and so on. Long-term savings is one of those slices, but it's not a piece you'll be eating today or even tomorrow. It's a slice you're saving for a future feast. This doesn't mean you're depriving yourself. On the contrary, you're providing for your future self. You're ensuring that you'll have a cushion to fall back on, the means to achieve your aspirations, and the security to weather any financial storms that might come your way. However, long-term savings isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. It's unique to each person's situation, goals, and financial capabilities. Whether you're setting aside a few dollars every month or a significant chunk of your income, the important thing is that you're making a conscious effort to save. We also need to remember that long-term savings is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It requires patience, consistency, and most importantly, discipline. It's about resisting the temptation to dip into the funds for immediate gratification and keeping your eye on the big picture, your future financial freedom. So, in a nutshell, long-term savings is a strategic, disciplined approach to managing your finances. It's about setting money aside regularly and consistently for future financial goals, providing a safety net, and ultimately, achieving financial independence. So now that we understand what long-term savings are, let's explore why they are so crucial. Why should we bother with long-term savings, you might ask? Well, the answer lies in the power of financial security, stability, and the ability to meet big financial goals. Long-term savings are an essential part of a sound financial plan. It's the financial cushion that helps you weather the storms of life. Unexpected expenses like medical emergencies, sudden job loss, or even car repairs can wreak havoc on your finances. But with long-term savings, you've got a safety net that can help you navigate through these financial challenges without having to resort to debt. Imagine having the peace of mind, knowing that you can cover your living expenses for a good 6 months or more, even if you lose your primary source of income. That's the kind of security long-term savings can provide. But it's not just about weathering the storms. Long-term savings can also pave the way for financial stability, allowing you to take on larger financial goals. It's the key to achieving those big-ticket dreams like buying a home, funding your children's education, or even starting your own business. Imagine this scenario. You've always dreamed of owning a home. It's a significant financial undertaking, and without a substantial savings fund, you might end up taking on a hefty mortgage that could strain your finances. But with long-term savings, you can put down a larger down payment, reducing your mortgage and potentially saving thousands in interest over the life of your loan. That's the power of long-term savings. Furthermore, long-term savings can also pave the way for a comfortable retirement. It's about ensuring that your golden years are truly golden, allowing you to enjoy life without worrying about finances. By the 5th minute of our video, if you're liking this content, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Now, let's move on to how we can effectively apply long-term savings. Because remember, understanding the importance of long-term savings is just the first step. The real magic happens when we put this knowledge into action. Let's dive in. Now that we know why long-term savings are important, how do we go about it? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer, but let's walk through some general strategies that can set you on the right path. First, it's crucial to set clear financial goals. What are you saving for? Maybe it's a retirement nest egg, a home, or your child's education. Having a specific target in mind can give you motivation and direction. Next, let's talk about budgeting. It's essential to have a clear picture of your income and expenses. Once you've got that, you can determine how much you can realistically set aside for savings each month. And remember, every little bit counts. Even if you can only spare a small amount at first, it's a start. Now let's discuss the savings and investment vehicles. There's a wide array to choose from, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Savings accounts, for instance, are low risk, but offer lower returns. Stocks, on the other hand, have the potential for higher returns but come with more risk. It's crucial to choose the vehicle that aligns with your risk tolerance and time horizon. But what's most important in long-term savings is consistency and patience. It's like running a marathon, not a sprint. It might be tempting to dip into your savings for immediate gratification, but resist the urge. Stay the course and let the magic of compounding do its work. And finally, keep educating yourself. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and what works today might not work tomorrow. So, keep learning, stay flexible, and adjust your strategies as needed. With these tips, you're well on your way to mastering long-term savings. But remember, it's not all roses. There are challenges and obstacles along the way. But with perseverance, determination, and a good plan, you can overcome them and achieve your financial goals. So roll up your sleeves and let's get started on this exciting journey. While long-term savings come with numerous benefits, they're not without their challenges. Now let's delve into the potential hurdles you might encounter on your journey to financial freedom and how to leap over them. One obstacle that many of us face is financial emergencies. It could be a sudden job loss, a medical emergency, or an unexpected home repair. These unforeseen circumstances can shake your financial stability and force you to tap into your long-term savings. The solution? Establish an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial safety net, separate from your long-term savings. It should ideally cover 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses and can be a lifesaver during financial crises. Next, let's talk about the elephant in the room: market fluctuations. When you invest your savings, market volatility can significantly impact your returns. One day your investment portfolio might be soaring, and the next, it might take a nosedive. It's a roller coaster ride that can be nerve-wracking. But remember, investing is a long-term game. Short-term market fluctuations should not deter your long-term savings goal. Diversify your investment portfolio to spread the risk and stay the course. Finally, the temptation to spend can pose a significant challenge. Let's face it, we live in a consumer-driven society where instant gratification is the norm. Overcoming this urge requires discipline and self-control. Practice mindful spending. Ask yourself if you really need that designer handbag or the latest gadget. More often than not, you'll find that you're better off investing that money for your future. So, while it's true that long-term savings come with their fair share of challenges, they are not insurmountable. It takes planning, discipline, and a little bit of financial savvy to navigate these hurdles successfully. And remember, every step you take towards your long-term savings goal brings you one step closer to financial freedom. And with that, we've covered the basics of long-term savings. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Long-term savings, while a daunting concept for many, is a cornerstone of financial security. We've explored how this form of saving is not just about setting aside money, but about understanding the importance of consistent financial discipline over a prolonged period. We've emphasized that long-term savings can create a safety net, enabling you to weather unforeseen circumstances and provide you with the freedom to make choices that align with your life goals. Moreover, we've underscored the importance of understanding the mechanisms of long-term savings and applying them wisely. Yet it's essential to acknowledge that long-term saving also presents challenges. It requires patience, discipline, and the ability to resist immediate gratification. However, the rewards it reaps, peace of mind, financial stability, and the ability to live life on your terms, are worth the effort. Remember, financial literacy is not a destination but a journey. It's about continuous learning, adapting, and making informed decisions that align with your personal circumstances and aspirations. Thank you so much for allowing us into your homes or study centers. It's been an honor to share this time with you. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, family, and coworkers. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's free, and we have a lot more informative videos coming your way. See you in our next video.